Nestled amidst the turquoise waters of Indonesia lies Labuan Bajo. Welcome to a world where ancient dragons roam free, hidden beaches shimmer, and sunsets paint the sky in vibrant colors. This is a place where time slows down, allowing you to reconnect with nature's wonders. Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of palm trees and the scent of salty air. Labuan Bajo caters to every traveler, from thrill seekers to those yearning for tranquility. Whether you're an explorer or a lover of serenity, Labuan Bajo has something extraordinary for you. Join us as we uncover the magic of this Indonesian gem, revealing its hidden treasures. Get ready to be captivated by the allure of Labuan Bajo, where adventure and affordability intertwine. Labuan Bajo blends diverse experiences into a vibrant tapestry of adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Dive into the ocean's depths, encountering manta rays, sea turtles, and vibrant coral reefs. Hike volcanic peaks for panoramic views of islands scattered across azure waters. Immerse yourself in local culture, exploring bustling markets and engaging with warm locals. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear pools. Labuan Bajo awakens the senses and ignites the soul. Whether seeking adrenaline-pumping activities or moments of tranquility, this gem has it all. Let the spirit of adventure guide you as we delve deeper into Labuan Bajo. Uncover hidden gems and tips for experiencing its magic without breaking the bank. Beyond popular attractions, Labuan Bajo holds hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten track to secluded beaches with only your footprints. Discover secret coves accessible only by boat, offering pristine waters and solitude. For cultural immersion, visit traditional villages where time stands still. Witness age-old customs, interact with artisans, and understand Labuan Bajo's rich heritage. Explore ancient caves with prehistoric paintings, revealing the region's fascinating past. Labuan Bajo's magic lies in its hidden wonders. Join us as we uncover these gems and reveal secrets to experiencing Labuan Bajo authentically. Prepare to be amazed by the unexpected treasures in this paradise. Labuan Bajo offers diverse accommodation options for every budget. From luxurious resorts to budget-friendly guest houses, there's something for everyone. Imagine waking up to waves lapping at the shore and vibrant sunrises. Sip morning coffee on a private balcony overlooking turquoise waters. Or mingle with fellow travelers in a communal courtyard, sharing adventure stories. Labuan Bajo has the perfect accommodation for every traveler. Let's explore options from opulent resorts to budget-friendly havens. Discover the ideal place to unwind and create lasting memories. Labuan Bajo welcomes you with open arms, no matter your budget. Labuan Bajo boasts luxurious resorts that redefine paradise. Imagine opulence, breathtaking views, impeccable service, and every comfort imaginable. These retreats promise an experience beyond your wildest expectations. Infinity pools blend with the horizon, and private villas offer ocean views. Indulge in spa treatments, gourmet meals, and private oases. These resorts pamper your senses and provide an escape from the everyday. From overwater bungalows to hillside villas, each exudes elegance. Lounge by the pool, explore hidden coves, or soak up the sun on pristine beaches. Enjoy romantic dinners under the stars, with the sea breeze carrying tropical scents. These luxurious escapes offer an unforgettable, meticulously curated experience. Labuan Bajo embraces budget-conscious travelers with affordable options. Cozy guest houses and charming homestays ensure comfort without breaking the bank. Imagine staying in a quaint guest house surrounded by local life. Wake up to freshly brewed coffee and share tips with fellow travelers. These options connect you with local culture and the essence of Labuan Bajo. Choose from traditional stilt houses, family-run homestays, or social hostels. Experience the warmth of local hospitality and unique character. These havens provide a comfortable base for exploring Labuan Bajo. Enjoy a memorable adventure without compromising on comfort. For an immersive experience, consider homestays with local families. Connect with locals, delve into customs, and understand the culture. Imagine sharing meals and listening to stories passed down through generations. Experience Labuan Bajo through the eyes of its people. Learn about daily lives, hopes, dreams, and deep connections to the land. Participate in local activities and discover hidden gems known only to locals. These experiences enrich your journey and create lasting memories. Choose from simple rooms to traditional houses with intricate carvings. Wake up to village life, savor home-cooked meals, and experience true hospitality. Embrace the heart and soul of Labuan Bajo with a homestay experience. Exploring Labuan Bajo's archipelago means embracing the waterways. Boats are the primary mode of transport, offering scenic island-hopping adventures. From traditional wooden boats to sleek speedboats, there's a vessel for every budget. Imagine the gentle rocking of waves and the salty breeze. Gaze at emerald islands rising from turquoise waters. Whether day trips to Komodo National Park or remote islands, boat journeys are adventures. Private boats offer flexibility and customizable itineraries. Group tours provide social experiences with fellow travelers. Navigating by boat offers a unique perspective of Labuan Bajo's beauty. Rent a scooter for freedom and adventure on Labuan Bajo's main island. Feel the wind in your hair as you zip along coastal roads. Discover hidden gems in local villages at your own pace. Navigate winding roads with breathtaking ocean panoramas. Stop at local markets and immerse yourself in daily life. Find secluded beaches for refreshing swims and sunbathing. Scooter rentals are widely available with various models. Ensure you have a valid international driver's license and know local traffic laws. Renting a scooter is a fun, affordable way to experience Labuan Bajo. Embrace local transport for an authentic Labuan Bajo experience. Bemos, colorful shared minivans, offer budget-friendly navigation. Share rides with locals, experiencing camaraderie and local life. Squeeze into a Bemo, its vibrant paint reflecting Labuan Bajo's energy. Listen to local stories as the Bemo weaves through streets and countryside. Each journey connects you with the community and local culture. Bemos provide a unique, immersive experience despite lacking comfort. Embrace spontaneity and shared journeys with locals. It's an adventure filled with unexpected encounters and heartwarming moments. No trip to Labuan Bajo is complete without visiting Komodo National Park. Step onto an island where prehistoric Komodo dragons roam freely. Witness their raw power as they bask in the sun or stalk prey. Experienced guides lead treks through diverse landscapes. Keep an eye out for other wildlife, including Timor deer and wild horses. The best time to visit is during the dry season, April to October. Each season offers a unique perspective of the park's beauty. Explore by foot, boat, or snorkeling in crystal clear waters. A visit to Komodo National Park is an unforgettable adventure. Prepare for breathtaking beauty on Padar Island. A challenging hike leads to panoramic views that leave you speechless. Ascend the slopes, revealing vibrant colors and dramatic contours. Reaching the summit is an accomplishment worth celebrating. Enjoy a panorama of volcanic peaks, turquoise bays, and pristine beaches. Capture the iconic 3 crescent-shaped beaches with your camera. Pause to soak in the magnificence of it all. Let the breeze carry your worries away in this natural wonder. A hike to Padar Island's summit is a journey that stays with you. Prepare to be enchanted by the ethereal beauty of Pink Beach, a true marvel of nature where the sands shimmer with a rosy hue. The water transforms into a kaleidoscope of turquoise and emerald, inviting you to dive in and explore its underwater wonders and feel the soft pink sand beneath your feet. A surreal experience created by foraminifera's reddish-pink shells. Spend your time strolling along the shoreline, marveling at the interplay of colors, or simply relax on the beach, letting the gentle sound of the waves wash over you beneath the surface. Explore vibrant coral reefs where sea turtles glide gracefully. And you might spot a reef shark or manta ray. Pink Beach is a true gem of Labuan Bajo, an unforgettable experience. Embark on an unforgettable underwater adventure at Manta Point. Swim alongside majestic manta rays in clear blue waters. Schools of colorful fish dart through coral gardens. Encounter graceful manta rays, oceanic kites with wing-like fins. Witness their elegance as they glide effortlessly. Keep a respectful distance, allowing them to swim freely. Visit during the dry season for the best visibility. An encounter with these gentle giants is unforgettable. Escape to the tranquil paradise of Kanawa Island, a short boat ride from Labuan Bajo. Surrounded by crystal clear waters and pristine beaches, it's perfect for relaxing and immersing in nature. Swim, snorkel or bask in the sun on idyllic beaches. The clear water reveals colorful fish and vibrant coral reefs. It's a snorkeler's paradise. Rent a kayak to explore hidden coves and secluded beaches. As the sun sets, the sky transforms into vibrant colors. Watch the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple. Kanawa Island is a true escape to reconnect with nature and recharge. Labuan Bajo, while known for its luxurious offerings, is also a haven for the budget-conscious traveler. With a little savvy planning and an adventurous spirit, you can experience the magic of this Indonesian paradise without breaking the bank. Embrace the art of traveling like a local, seeking out affordable alternatives and maximizing your budget for unforgettable experiences. Consider visiting during the shoulder seasons from March to May or September to November, when the weather is still pleasant and the crowds are smaller. You'll find better deals on accommodation and tours, allowing you to stretch your budget further. Embrace the flexibility of traveling off-peak and discover a different side of Labuan Bajo, one where you can connect more deeply with the local culture and enjoy a more tranquil experience. When it comes to accommodation, opt for guest houses, homestays or budget-friendly hostels, which offer a more authentic and affordable experience compared to luxury resorts. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the opportunity to interact with locals and fellow travelers, sharing stories and insider tips. Embrace the communal atmosphere and create lasting memories with like-minded adventurers. In Labuan Bajo, haggling is a cultural dance. Embrace negotiation when shopping for souvenirs or renting transportation. Start with a lower price and be ready to walk away. A smile and friendly demeanor help. Show genuine interest and ask questions. Haggling connects you with local culture. Join group tours to share costs and meet new people. Read reviews for reputable operators. One of the best ways to save money while experiencing the culinary delights of Labuan Bajo is to embrace the local food scene. Step away from the tourist traps and venture into local warungs, small family-run restaurants that offer authentic Indonesian dishes at incredibly affordable prices. Here you'll savor the true flavors of Labuan Bajo, prepared with fresh, local ingredients and bursting with spices. And don't forget to sample the local seafood, freshly caught and grilled to perfection. For a truly local experience, venture into the markets where you'll find an array of fresh fruits, vegetables and spices. Stock up on snacks and ingredients to prepare your own meals, saving even more money and immersing yourself in the local culture. Embrace the art of bargaining and savor the flavors of Labuan Bajo without breaking the bank. Labuan Bajo has food for everyone, whether you like simple food or fancy dinners. You can find all sorts of restaurants, from small street food stalls to big restaurants with amazing views of the ocean. No matter what you like, you can find delicious Indonesian food here. If you want a real and affordable food adventure, try the street food in Labuan Bajo. Look for small family-run restaurants called warungs. They have traditional Indonesian food at really good prices. Imagine sitting at a street stall, smelling the yummy spices while you wait for your food. Try some local favorites like nasi goreng, which is fried rice with chicken, shrimp or vegetables, or maybe mie goreng, which are stir-fried noodles with a tasty sauce. If you want something refreshing, try es kelapa muda. It's a young coconut with sweet water inside. You can also try fresh seafood grilled perfectly with simple spices. Being an archipelago, Labuan Bajo boasts an abundance of fresh seafood, making it a paradise for seafood lovers. From succulent grilled fish to spicy crab dishes, the seafood here is a testament to the bounty of the ocean and the culinary skills of the local chefs. Prepare your taste buds for a seafood extravaganza that will leave you craving for more. Imagine yourself dining at a waterfront restaurant, the gentle sea breeze carrying the scent of salt air and the sound of waves lapping against the shore. Picture a table laden with a feast of fresh seafood, each dish a culinary masterpiece that showcases the natural flavors of the ocean's bounty. Indulge in the local favorite, ikan bakar, grilled fish marinated in a blend of aromatic spices and served with a side of steamed rice and sambal, a spicy chili sauce that adds a fiery kick. For a more adventurous culinary experience, try kepiting saus padang, crab cooked in a rich and spicy padang sauce, a specialty from the West Sumatra region known for its bold flavors. Savoring the sweet life. No culinary journey in Labuan Bajo is complete without indulging in the sweet treats that tantalize the taste buds and satisfy the sweetest cravings. From refreshing fruit salads to traditional Indonesian desserts, the sweet side of Labuan Bajo is a delightful adventure for those with a sweet tooth. Imagine yourself strolling through a local market where vendors display an array of colorful fruits, their sweet aromas filling the air. Picture yourself sipping on a freshly blended fruit juice, its sweetness a welcome refreshment from the tropical heat. For a taste of traditional Indonesian sweets, try pisang goreng, fried bananas often served with a drizzle of condensed milk or a sprinkle of sugar or martabak. A thick pancake filled with a variety of sweet or savory ingredients, such as chocolate, peanuts or cheese. And don't forget to sample the local honey, known for its distinct flavor and health benefits. Labuan Bajo, a tapestry of wonders. Labuan Bajo, a tapestry of wonders. From Komodo dragons to Padar Island's vistas and Pink Beach's hues, manta rays at Manta Point and Kanawa Island's underwater paradise, Labuan Bajo leaves an indelible mark, a place to explore, savor and cherish. Your budget-friendly adventure awaits. We've uncovered the secrets to experiencing Labuan Bajo on a budget, proving that you don't need a bottomless wallet to create unforgettable memories in this Indonesian paradise. From embracing the art of haggling to savoring the local flavors at affordable eateries, we've shown that traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on experiences. Remember to plan your trip during the shoulder seasons when you'll find better deals on accommodation and tours. Embrace the art of slow travel, allowing yourself ample time to soak up the beauty of each destination without the rush of a packed itinerary. Connect with the local culture by choosing homestays where you'll experience the true warmth of Indonesian hospitality and gain a deeper understanding of the local way of life. Most importantly, come with an open heart and a spirit of adventure. Embrace the unexpected detours, engage with the local people, and savor every moment of your Labuan Bajo journey. The memories you create will be priceless, regardless of your budget. Until next time, Labuan Bajo. As we bid farewell to the enchanting islands of Labuan Bajo, we carry with us a profound sense of gratitude for the experiences we've shared and the memories we've made. Labuan Bajo has stolen a piece of our hearts, leaving us yearning to return and uncover more of its hidden treasures. We hope that our journey has inspired you to add Labuan Bajo to your own travel bucket list, to embark on your own budget-friendly adventure, and to create your own unforgettable memories in this Indonesian paradise. Until next time, Labuan Bajo, may your waters remain crystal clear, your skies a vibrant blue, and your ancient wonders continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit your shores.